The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is excited to present this 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,380 square foot country home with an attached 2-car garage and a 60 by 40 insulated shop. This home has privacy yet conveniently located near town. Let's join Heather and Marcia as they show us all the beautiful features and amenities.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
Hey. And today we have Marcia Taylor.
It's good to be here.
It
Thanks,
is,
Heather.
yes. Beautiful day. We're out here about 15 minutes from town to look at this 5-bedroom, 3-bath home on how many acres, Marcia?
We're on 4.97 acres. The address here is 8173 Highway 5 North.
Awesome. In Mountain Home.
In Mountain Home.
So, well, I'm excited to see the place. Should we go in?
Let's do that.
All right.
Hey, John.
Hey, Marcia. Heather.
Hopefully you didn't check out this beautiful place without us.
I did already.
Well,
So this is the living room.
I like this.
You
I
got
like
a great
the
big open floor plan. You've got living room and you've got a great dining room over here.
I love the floors and the neutral colors.
Oh, those are beautiful floors.
They are.
They are.
Wow, yeah.
Open into the kitchen, so it's open all the way around.
You get another view of this. This is so nice.
And that's a large table right there, so plenty of room
You could
for.
put a larger one too.
Yeah, it is pretty well open. Great for entertaining.
And concrete countertops.
Oh, very handy. Looks like the owners have done some updating.
They have indeed.
Marcia, are all of the appliances
The
staying?
appliances are all staying.
Awesome. I like that they all match and the backsplash ties right in with it. Well, Marcia,
Lovely kitchen, isn't it?
it is. It's beautiful. I like all the lights in here. And you have access to the deck. Well, John, you're already enjoying this beautiful day.
That's right, I am.
It is a gorgeous day.
I saw that kitchen. I thought maybe you were going to serve some burgers.
Well, you could. This would be a perfect place to have your dinner even on a nice day like today, or have your coffee in the mornings.
Coffee in the morning or tea, whichever.
That view.
I love how private it is.
It's quiet.
And then you have the 40 by 60 garage out here.
And it has, looks like concrete floors and electric. Well, before we go take a look at that, should we go look at the
Let's
primary
do
bedroom?
that.
I'll let you lead the way.
Thank you. Back inside. Shall we go take a look at the primary bedroom?
Yes.
And
on
this
in
is
here.
a split bedroom plan. Nice size. The floors carry on in here. And Marcia, you even have
Another
access there.
exterior to the porch.
Awesome.
Lots of room in here, too.
It is. And the master bath. You've got a split shower and tub. And a nice size laundry and closet.
Oh, the laundry's right in the closet. Isn't that nice?
That's
That is
very convenient.
Very
Very
convenient for the
Yeah.
owner of the house.
Right.
And there's 2 more bedrooms on the main level and a full bath. You have guest bedroom number 1, good
With
size, and
a
look,
nice size walk-in closet.
Oh, my. That is huge, isn't it? Wow, this is a lovely bedroom.
it is. And in between you have your full bath,
Large guest bath.
yes, with a tub shower combo.
Right in the double vanity.
You don't see a lot of double vanities in a guest
On the guest
yep.
bath, no.
You don't.
That way the kids aren't fighting over whose sink is whose.
And you have the second, or the
Wow,
third
that's another
bedroom.
walk-in closet, isn't it?
with a walk-in closet,
Wow.
yeah.
Now I like this room because it has a view off the back deck.
It has a lot of light in here as well.
And there's plenty of room. I mean, you see all of the stuff they have in here, and there's still room to walk around. All right, shall we go check out the basement?
John, would you like to go down first?
Not head first. Hi guys.
Hey, John.
Now I like that door because it makes this truly another private area.
It does.
You can always take the door off if you didn't like it.
It
That's
does.
right.
This is nice.
It is. This could be a
You
whole
have
new
this-
living quarters.
Yeah, this could be, like I was gonna say, this could be a whole living quarters. You could put in a kitchen in here if you wanted to. But for the family that lives here, was basically a playroom.
I like it. And you have access outside. You're just right underneath the deck.
And then they had this as the TV room.
Okay, makes sense. So you could separate off these rooms and make them to what you need them to be.
It's good for a big family. And then back here is another bedroom.
So you have a closet and a window, and this is a good size. You know, these
Or it
concrete,
could be an office.
that's right, these concrete floors would be good when you have guests over, if you're having gameplay or anything, having a lot of people over or kids.
It could.
Spilling
yeah.
things, easy cleanup.
Absolutely.
And just under there you have storage under the stairs.
And then you have the third bathroom right here.
Ooh, with a jetted tub.
Jetted tub and a shower.
Wow. A nice bathroom.
And this could be a fourth bedroom, again, or an office. You've got a closet here.
Or good storage for your decoration. John, we're just gonna make the circle around and take a peek at that
This is the
mechanical room.
mechanical room.
Oh boy. And there's a washer dryer hookup if you want to wash your dryer down here. So, Marsha, Heather, with the washer dryer hookup here and plumbing always be down here, this could really be a separate living area.
space.
Exactly,
Yeah.
yeah. Well, I'm excited to check out outside.
Let's do that.
This looks like a newer door.
This is a great area for a patio party. So you've got deck space up here and deck space down here, patio space down here.
This is
And
great.
then there's a 40 by 60 garage out here.
This is beautiful.
So it looks more like a shop to me, Marsha.
Well, it is a shop. Hey, John.
This is a fantastic shop.
It
It
is.
is, isn't it?
It's got the high doors.
On both sides,
Yeah.
you could bring all sorts of vehicles through here.
Oh my, yeah. For sure you can bring an RV in here.
This would be really nice to work in.
And it's insulated.
And see, you have a little storage room area. It has plumbing, so this could
Right.
potentially be a bathroom.
Yeah, could be.
This is the garage.
The attached garage.
Okay, hey,
John is always like Houdini. And I like that you have an exterior door right there.
Yes, you do have an exterior door right here.
Yep. And you have your attic access. Plenty of parking.
Heather, tell us more about how to find out about this house.
Yeah, well, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful 5-bedroom country home with a 60 by 40 shop, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com or go to the Ozarks team on Google, Facebook, or YouTube.